Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this exact file. They had a piece of clip art, they've already traced it, and they were saying that in some of my latest videos, I've used the combine tool. He said the combine doesn't work. Well, you can't combine something that's already together. So you need to go to Arrange and Ungroup. And then you can combine it, but first you need to remove this outer white and then select it all. And also right there, it almost shows we've got a leak in our drawing because it took away that white and turned it yellow. So select it all and now go to combine, and it's going to remove all the yellow. Now it's pretty good. It traced it pretty good, but it's pretty rough. If you're going to laser engrave this, that would actually show up. You know what? We don't need the yellow box anymore. Let's select it. Let's select it with the shape tool. There's 1,051 nodes on 27 paths. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Select all the nodes. Go up here to your reduced nodes slide bar and type in the number 20, my suggestion. Now it's only got 178 nodes. Now it's pretty good. You know, the corners could be repaired a little bit. Turn those into, let's see what happens if we delete them. I think it's going to, yep, too much. But you could put a node, double click, put a node in the middle, and then delete that node and delete that node and make it look a little bit better. But where we had a leak, and I noticed it when we changed it to color, is right here. Now, the way I would fix this is to left click, right click, and get the shape tool and get those two lines together and take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. And you could smooth that out at the time and then take your smart fill tool and fill that in. You still got a little roughness there, but it's you don't have a leak. It's so much easier to repair something when it's a outline because you're going to get that. So if we take away the smart fill, then you can see and you can move things around, and you've got to remember it's a Rubik's Cube and it does have some parts in it that need to be rounded. You know, like, can't do that, can't delete that, but we could join these curves, see what happens. Yep. Then we could try deleting them. That looks a little better. You could use a little bit of work on it still, but it's close there. And whenever from a distance you can see multiple nodes, you know, just kind of, that actually probably needs to go more to the center of that joint anyway. Let's try deleting it. Make it a little smoother. You could go on for a little bit, then fill it back in with black, and you're ready to engrave it. That'll be a pretty neat, I think it's just going to be a corner to a kid's plaque that evidently likes the Rubik's Cube. Anyway, that's how I would do it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.